Chat genuinely, how do you talk to people you don't know in real life? Like, I'm way too scared to approach anyone first. But anytime someone talks to me first, I get shy and scared and act distant and quiet. Yes, I'm not. Also, don't mind the flags in the corner, it's the month of the gays, so we get a 50% power boost. Any gays? Wait, no, sorry, anyways. Like, genuinely, how do you make friends? Because anytime I try to talk to anybody in my class, it's super awkward. Like, it usually goes something like this. So HOWS your day been?
Good.
That's nice.
Like, talk to Emmy, bro.
Yeah, that's all. Saya my cookies.